X equals A, B, C, D. Y equals 23, 45, 12, 36. Colors equals hash 3498 dB, hash E74cc, hash 2EC71, hash F1C40. PLT bar XY colors, edge color black. PLT title, category comparison font size 14. PLT X label categories, PLT Y label values, PLT grid axis alpha 0.5, PLT tight layout, PLT show. Key observations, category B has the highest value 45, followed by D 36, A 23, and finally C with the lowest value 12. Each bar is colored uniquely for better distinction. A, blue, color 3498 dB. B, red, E74cc. D, yellow, F1C40. The bars are outlined with black borders to enhance clarity. A horizontal grid improves readability, allowing viewers to easily compare values. The chart is neatly laid out using tight layout to ensure all elements fit well within the figure.